This is so nice. Hola. Venom.
Venom? You know nothing about finance, politics, crypto, but you know the theme of Venom, right?
Ito na po kami sa taas. Naglalakad na naman po kami at papunta na naman kami sa Sacsayhuaman. Tingnan mo itong bato. Andyan lang siya sa gitna. Hindi nila maalis-alis. Hindi nila kayang alisin yung bato. Sana hindi na umulan ngayon. Pangatlong try na namin to. Papuntang Sacsayhuaman. Ay, Diyos ko na pagod. So, what we paid is 70 soles for 2 persons. Last time, first attempt namin, sabi ni Kuya, 20 soles lang daw. 20 per persona? Tapos ngayon sabi niya, 70 daw per person. Yeah, we only have how many hours here? So, sabi namin dito lang, kailangan lang namin dito sa Sacsayhuaman. So, sabi niya, 70 soles na lang for 2 people. Kaya, mga day, grabe ang ganda dito. Pakita ko sa inyo, be. This is the man-made?
No, the man-made from these times, yeah. They restored it actually. They tried to copy the original.
Which is this one. Big rock. Grabe, it's so huge. It's so big rock. Tapos dito, ang ganda din sa kabila. Grabe talaga. Amazing! Ang Peru. We're here in 2nd floor. And the weather is so cool. Amazing. Grabe. So sad we don't have tour guide. We're going up. Grabe, pagod. Sobra. Going up here. Kitang-kita mo yung city, te. Diyos ko dahil. Oh my God, abababa kami dyan. So wait lang mga dyan, hindi ako makakapag-video, baka mahulog ako. Diyos ko dahil. Hala, si Jesus. Jesus. Wow. Grabe. Look at the city. Wow. Amazing. They should put the Jesus here. But he's there. The Jesus is there. Wow. Grabe. Ito na po kami sa taas and makikita mo yung sentro. Wow! Yung Plaza de Armas. Plaza. Sentro ng grabe. Daming tao. Kaloka tayo, di ba? Amazing. Yeah, we're going back now. So, we already walk around the whole Sacsayhuaman. It's so huge, mga day. And, baby, how do you rate? Like,
I would say this is so far the most impressive thing we saw here in Peru. Yeah? I mean, there's still Machu Picchu missing.
And then tomorrow the Ollantaytambo.
Yeah.
We will see the islands.
If you're in Cusco, you definitely should visit this place. It's just freaking amazing.
Yeah, and stay here 3 months straight because this is a mistake that we made. We stay here 1 month because we thought, okay, we will go to Cusco 1 month and 2 months to Lima, but next time. Now we know. It's so nice. There are still a lot around Cusco that we didn't go because
Peru has so much to give. So much to see.
So much to offer. Like
it's just amazing.
Places to go.
Impressive, really impressive. I fell in love with Peru.
Yeah, me too.
It's amazing.